Suspend, suspend, suspend. It means to stop something temporarily. It's like pausing a movie or putting something on hold. Common meanings. 1. To stop something temporarily. Example. The teacher suspended the class for being noisy by pausing the lesson until everyone calms down and is ready to learn. 2. To hang something. Example. The chandelier is suspended from the ceiling. 3. To delay or postpone. Example. The game was suspended due to rain. General usage. We use suspend when we want to talk about stopping something for a while. It can be used for people, activities, or rules. Tips for remembering. Visualize. Picture a swing hanging from a tree. It's suspended in the air. Connect. Think about times when you've had to pause something, like a video game or a TV show. Fun fact. Have you ever heard of suspended animation? It's a science fiction idea where a person or animal is frozen and their life processes are paused. It's like being suspended in time. Let's make some music. Suspend means to stop or hold in place, like a pause or break in a busy race. It can be a moment when things are delayed, or when something happens like a swing that's way. You suspend a decision, you hold it tight, or suspend your work and take a break from sight. So remember the word, it's all about wait, to hold something up or to delay its fate. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.